I made this high protein cottage cheese pizza bowl for dinner, and my husband absolutely loved it. So, since he works from home, I decided to use it as a meal prep, and this is how I did it. All right, everyone. So, to my mixing bowl, I've already added my smooth and creamy cottage cheese. I'm going to add some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, and we're going to add in half of our toppings. My onions, really colorful peppers here. Look at that, you guys. And some olives. Add in our sauce. And it's time to mix all of this together. Now that the cottage cheese mixture is ready, I will put it into an oven-proof meal prep container. Here I'm using a 34 ounce, but you can also use two 12 ounces. Spray it with nonstick cooking spray, pour in the ingredients, top with mozzarella cheese, your remaining toppings, and some more Parmesan. Put the lid on this and off to the fridge this goes. It's just that simple. And when you're away, you know that your husband is eating really good. This is great, but I've got lots more. And this is just a sample. Check it out. Keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. So if you like this recipe and you want to see more, please do remember to give this video a like, give it a share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you will never miss out on the deliciousness. And as always, you guys, remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And thanks for joining us.